real quick. All right, guys. Look who showed up in his car. Say hi.
Hola, I didn't do it, not my fault.
He did it. It's all his fault. We're going to be putting the motor in the 68 Mustang, get that ready to go. Do the brakes, and we'll be in good shape. We got more friends. Say hello, Rat Rod. Cool dog. See you later. Finally going back in. You ready for this mess? All right, working on Mr. BJ's car. Put a new master cylinder in it, and we're bleeding the system now. It's over there. Wave.
Pouring brake fluid, trying to not spill like an old man.
I want to see you wave pouring brake fluid. Alright. Had to get my fan because it's 130 degrees in the car. As you can see, I'm soaking wet. So yeah, it's going to be fun.